Nice one. I got you icy. Mama got you baby. They're building this cloud right above me. Not very high either. I won't be out here very long. These flashes get a little too low for me. Oh, that's kind of around the corner there. Can't be too far around the corner. The cloud stops right there. They're building this cloud, gonna send it somewhere. They build quick with those flashes. Quick, strong, and heavy. Starboy? Presley! Bad boys. Well, this thing's heavy. Oh, shoot. Sucker's right in that one little cloud. It's getting big fast. I know, Sabrina. I know, baby. They're messing with us, aren't they? Just a minute, I'll let you in.